Okay, today I want to show you these slim profile wrenches by OSLA. About $63. You can buy them off Amazon or go direct to their website, OSLAtools.com. Comes in this box. I'm not going to keep the box, I'm going to throw that away. The first thing I do like about these are the foam organizer. If you look at my wrench drawer, I keep all my wrenches in foam organizers or plastic organizers. If they don't come with any organizer, I'll go out and buy one, but it keeps them nice and neat. This is a metric set. I have a Matco set, which is standard. They're pretty much quite identical. If I get the biggest one here, the biggest one we got is a 19mm against a 3/4 and 5/8. Pretty identical in size, shape and thickness. They even look similar with the design on there. I'll get an exact measurement for you for the video when I edit it. Actually, the standard looks a little thicker. You can see it on the camera. Standard looks just a little bit thicker. But these wrenches, we're not going to be using these for everyday use. Let me show you. So yeah, foam organizer is definitely a plus, because that's how I keep all my stuff organized. And if the wrenches don't come with an organizer, like these gear wrench stubbies, I'll go out and buy one, again from OSLA Tools. I'll show you what we're going to do today. Get this 15mm out. Over here, get a 15mm. Probably the best application for these wrenches is probably brake calipers. So sometimes they get stuck. This side will keep spinning. The whole thing will just spin. And usually you have to get something like a pair of pliers, is what I usually get. That's not going to fit, that's a 15mm. But with the OSLA, go straight in there. Look, plenty of room. I'll hold it. How tight it is. Straight in, no problem. Just to show you one more time how a regular 15mm wrench is not going to fit in there. It's going all the way around it. Now I'm going to put my OSLA 15mm on. Go straight in. Even got a little bit more room. So now that being held, I can break that bolt here. No trouble at all. I'm spinning. I'll do the rest of my fingers till it gets caught up again. Just see. Now we've got it back. Let's have a look. You can get on there now, but look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but the wrench is bigger than what we need. Yeah, so I'll be using these wrenches for tight spaces such as the brake calipers and stuff like that. I usually use these, but they'll be slipping quite a lot and damaging the bolt and stuff like that, so I'm glad to have these now. As a mechanic, you're not going to make it with one set of wrenches. You need different wrenches for different stuff. You have to have the long wrenches for extended reach and increased leverage. You need your stubby wrenches where there's not much space available. Your flex head wrenches to adjust the angle for a better access to bolts. Your line wrenches for brake lines and stuff like that, and you're definitely going to need this in your toolbox as well, because it's just an advantage over a regular type wrench. You're probably not going to use them every day, but you definitely need them. As you can tell, I've got different wrenches for different stuff, and this is going into my collection and I will be using them. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the thickness difference between the Matco and the OSLA. I know it's an unfair test because we're testing metric against standard, but on the conversion chart I just found 19mm is closest to a 3/4. So let's have a look what we got. That is the Matco standard. Zero that out. And then let's test the OSLA. Just a little smaller.